In this tutorial video, I am going to show you how to open a zip file in Android. By watching this video, you will be able to open any zip file by your phone. Welcome back to the tutorial lab. In our last video, I have shown you how to create a zip file by your Android phone. If you have missed that video, the links are in the description below. After this video, go and explore them. On next video, I will show you a new tips or tricks. If you don't want to miss that, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Let's start our today's tutorial. To open a zip file, we will use an app which is called ES File Explorer. If you don't have the app, you can go to the Play Store and type the name on the search bar ES File Explorer and download the file. This is absolutely free on Play Store. After installing this app, open the file. This is the main user interface. Go to the storage of your phone. Find the zip file which you want to open. This is a zip file. Tap on the file name. Here it says view or extract here. I want to extract the zip file. Tap on extract here. Here our zip file has been extracted. Open the file. These are the documents. By this way, you can open a zip file by your Android device. That was our today's video. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel for our upcoming videos and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.